It's not my first time. I'm Nate. We're gonna be camping.
Oh yeah? Just camping willy-nilly, really loud and stuff?
Stealthily.
Stealth camping. You heard that right? And you guys may have read the title, you know where we're gonna be doing it. But guess who doesn't know? This guy!
I'm Ryan and I'm 22. This is my first time.
It's his first time.
It's his first time.
I'm 23.
We're gonna reveal where we're going when we're there with a blindfold.
I'm 23
for
years
him.
old. Yes.
And guess what else?
What?
I don't know, maybe there's gonna be a surprise. Like this is a surprise. Check it out. Check it out, check it out.
Hi, Enzio.
Check it out. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Is this your first time? No.
Yes.
I feel like I should be in the back if I have this thing.
Right by it.
Hey guys, so we're almost at the spot and we saw some people and they saw us.
We just passed a couple people. They kind of looked at us funny. We're just hoping they're not going to go to the sheriff's station and turn us in.
Yeah.
He's never done this before.
Yeah, this is my first time, so.
Fuck, we gotta go. We gotta go. We're taking a right.
What's all that stuff?
Oh,
What's all that stuff like?
it's like a dude. Bro. It's dead ass like the bed. Like set up. There's a pillow.
They beat us to it.
Check it out.
I mean, I guess. I don't know.
What do we even do about this?
Someone out stealth camped us.
Yeah.
Shit! They got our spot.
They got a hot Cheetos blanket. This is your guys' spot.
I guess it's not, dude.
Not anymore. Did you set up the net?
Yeah. Yes.
That's what we were gonna
That's
come
what,
show you.
yeah. There's the treehouse.
And we were gonna pretend that's what we set up.
We're
But
gonna
then-
open your eyes to that.
But then we got blindsided.
I guess we might as well.
I want to figure out that situation first.
Well, we might as well just chill and eat out here. Like, if anything.
I don't think they're gonna spend the night,
I don't think they are either.
so we just gotta wait it out a bit.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait for the others to clear out. And while we do that, I'll show you what food we got going on. So, start off with our freeze-dried meals. Backcountry bison bowl, ground bison included. 3 bean chili. Got some astronaut ice cream, mint, and Neapolitan. Al pastor, cilantro lime rice. Then we have 3 ramens.
Ooh,
How are we gonna heat all these, Nate and Ryan?
Jet bowl.
Oh yeah, look at this thing.
Alright, as we're making dinner, I'm gonna go investigate and see if those people are still at dinner. Deliver the news.
Oh, okay. I had my assistant Nate check it out, check the situation out, check the tree net out. The girls, they're gone. The inhabitants, they're gone. The stuff that was there before, still there. What to make of this, I don't know.
I say we kill them.
Yeah. Nobody can know. Nobody. The extra, the battery's at 100. 3.
Wait, no, we don't want to do it all at once because it's gonna be really loud.
Well, we're gonna hear like 3 separate coughs.
I wasn't. No, you can't cough. He just does it like very slowly.
Oh, okay.
It's not like cover it up with something else. See, it's that last pop that you want to avoid. Okay, well, what was the point of the
That's your
cell cry?
alarm sound?
What is this exactly?
Bison, rice, beans. I don't
Rice
know.
and... That was
It's like rice, beans, and meat.
It's ricin?
Fuck. Like the fries. Just give it a really good mix.
Maybe I'll put the silica packet in to give it some flavor.
salty. It's that numbing spice.
This is what they don't want you to know. It's the secret. Seasoning.
It's real salty and it gets you high.
You feel great.
Takes all the water out of your mouth.
Do you want Ooh, how the fuck are we gonna do it? Why did it get bright again?
I don't know if you guys could see a thing, but we're in it.
Oh.
We got a movie going. It's not.
How did I get to this?
We got a movie going. We're in the spot. We're having a great time. It's Ryan. Say hi.
Hi.
Nate, explain.
We're watching a movie and we're in the spot. And Ryan, say hi.
Hi.
Welcome everybody to what we call the morning.
I'm not talking.
It is now the morning. It is now 5:35 p.m. Oh no, a.m. Because it's the morning. It's the morning, of course, so it's early. We just spent overnight at this here Treenet. Let's see a post sleeping. What are the results? It's sagging about a good foot in the middle. And Ryan had a great sleep on it though.
I got like 3 good hours actually.
Hey, I think the time we had allotted to sleep, we slept a good chunk out of it.
I'd say so.
Not half bad on that front. But like all good things, this has come to a bad, or wait, I don't know what to say.
They must
Must begin.
you must clean up and go home.
Yeah, like all good things you gotta clean up and leave. We don't gotta clean that up. I don't know who that is.
We should steal the hot Cheeto blanket.
I don't want to. Some random
Who knows where
person's.
that's been?
Yeah.
Here.
Well, yeah, I know it's been here.
Who knows where else it's been? Probably other places.
Yeah. What do you say we bike on out of here, boys?
Yeah, let's go.
Trying to look cool in the sun.
You